Hey IT pros, there are two approaches to audio conferencing for larger spaces: comp-expensive and easy economical. Let's compare what it takes to get good audio performance. Traditional systems may require selecting combinations of components to get proper coverage. That's comp-expensive. With Nareva, 1 or 2 microphone and speaker bars give you true full room coverage. That's easy economical. With comp-expensive ceiling tile systems, remote callers might not hear everything, especially if on-site participants enter dead zones while moving around the room. With Nareva, remote participants hear everyone, everywhere in the room. Very easy economical. If you reconfigure a room, recalibrating traditional audio systems might require the comp-expensive services of a technician. Nareva auto-calibrates, so your rooms are always ready. Super easy economical. So, will it be complex expensive or easy economical? It's your choice.